Right, I'm going to show you how to get into your shop and then pick a single product that you can advertise on Facebook or anywhere you want and get a direct link to it. So log into your account. If you already know your shop address, then you can just type that in the address bar, and if you don't, go into my account, go to account information, scroll down, and then that is your shop link, and you might have your name there, fred.vivamknetwork.co.uk. I've got shop vivamknetwork.co.uk, and then if you right click on that, then open in an incognito window. It has to be in a window where you are not logged into your account, otherwise you won't get your shop link. Make sure your shop link is showing there, then decide what it is you want to advertise. I'll just go to sale, I'll go for that one there, then just click on that. So it's the 90-piece colouring set, and you'll see at the top there it's changed now. It's got your shop link and then it's 90-piece colouring set. What you need to do is copy all of that, highlight it, right click and click copy, or you can use Control V and that will copy it, and that is for that particular item. And then go to wherever you're going on Facebook. I've got one open here, so I've put that link in there, done a little bit of text in there, get this amazing 90-piece colouring set before we run out. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to post that, and it says click the link to buy direct or message me for local delivery. Ideally, if people want to buy direct, they'll click on that link, and I'll show you what happens. So that's posting to this group now, and that is how it looks on the group. You've got the link there. That's not clickable with Facebook's how they mess about, but that link there with the image on, that's clickable. I'm just going to do it, open in an incognito window, so it opens up and you can see that it's got my shop address there, and it's gone direct to the 90-piece colouring set. So I hope that helps, and just give it a go.